Welcome to JK Knowledge. Friends, today we will discuss June 2020 IGNOU Term and Examination question paper, that is CHE10 spectroscopy. Let's try to solve these questions. This is question number 2a. Find the term symbol of 1s1 2p1 excited state of helium. Let's try to solve these questions. Friends, we know the energy level of an atom is called terms. A terms can be designated by term symbols. A term symbols can be represented, that is E, 2s plus 1, L, J, where S is the spin quantum number. L is the angular quantum number. And J, the total angular quantum number. This spin quantum number value is plus or minus half. Friends, in case of helium, there are two electrons are present. We represent in energy diagram, that is these two electrons are present in ground state. This is ground state, this is excited state. But friends, when we give some extra amount of energy, this ground state electron is excited and goes to the higher excited state. That is friends, these electrons goes to the higher excited state in opposite directions. But is another possible, that is these electrons goes to the higher excited in same spin. But friends, when we give some external amount of energy, further this electrons is excited and goes to the higher excited state. That is this 2s1 electrons goes to the 2p energy levels. This is the energy diagram of these electrons. But friends, there are two possibilities like this. This electrons goes to the higher excited state in same spin forms. That is there are two possibilities. The first is both the electrons are in same spins. Another possibility is one electrons in opposite spins. We draw in the form of energy diagram like this. This is the ground state. These two electrons are present in the same spins. Friends, give attention to this arrangement. We find for two electrons Friends, for first electrons, the n value is equal to 1. For second electrons, the n value is equal to 2. Where L value is n minus 1, that is 0. But in case L value is equal to 1, the resultant L value, that is L1 plus L2, is equal to 0 plus 1, that is 1. But in another way, we put the direct formula to find out this L value, that is L is equal to L1 plus L2, L1 plus L2 minus 1, L1 minus L2. Friends, we put 0 for L1 and 1 for L2. That is 1 and 0. Where spin quantum number S is equal to, for first electron, the spin quantum number is plus 1 by 2. For second electron, the spin quantum number, the magnetic spin quantum number, that is minus 1 by 2. The resultant spin quantum number, that is 0. So that the J value, the total angular momentum, is the addition of S value and L value, that is Friends, the resultant term symbol is equal to 2s plus 1 Lj. For S, we put this S value. For L, we put this value. For J, we put this value. We get 2 into 0 0 plus 1 L 1. Friends, for L value 1 we put P, that is P 1 1. This is the term symbol of helium atoms in this excited state representations. For L value 0 we put S. For 1 we put P, 2 D. For 3 we put F, like this. S value we already calculate, that is 0. So the spin multiplicity that is 2s plus 1 1. This is also called singlet state. And the turn symbol we already calculate, but friends, in case of these representations, this arrangement of electrons, we calculate the turn symbol. Let's try to calculate this electrons rearrangement. Friends, for this electron rearrangement, for first electrons, principal quantum number n is equal to 1. For second electron, the principal quantum number L is equal to n is equal to 2. In case of first electrons, the L value is equal to n minus 1, that is 0. For second electrons, the L value is equal to 1. It's L1 and L2. The resultant L value, L1 plus L2, that is equal to 1. For first electrons, the spin quantum number is plus half. For second electrons, the spin quantum number is 2 plus 1 by 2. The resultant spin quantum number that is 1. This is L value, this is S value. For these two electrons, the resultant J value, total rotational quantum number, that is L plus S, or L is equal to 1 and S is equal to 1. We put 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. We calculate this L value and J value in another way, like this. We put the direct formula to find out this L value. We put the value for L1, that is 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1. That is 1, it cancels 0. We also calculate this J value in direct formula. Let's try to solve this. J is equal to J1 L plus S a plus s minus 1 a minus s. Let's put this value l 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1. The j value, that is 2 1 0. We already calculate the s value is equal to 1, the spin multiplicity that is 2s plus 1 this is also called triplet state. Let's try to find out the term symbols, that is e 2s plus 1 lj. Friends, we already calculate s is equal to 1 and j l is equal to 1 and j 2 1 0. Let's put all this value in this equation. That is, for s we put 1, for l we already discussed, for l we put p, for l value is 0 we put s. In this case the l value is 1, so we put p. For l we put p. For j we put this value, that is 2 1 0. This is the term symbol of 1s1 2p1 excited state of helium in this arrangement. Friends, we already calculate the term symbol E is equal to in this arrangement. The term symbol we already calculate P1. Thus the configuration 1s1 2p1 gives rise to, for single state this value, for triplet state this value. We write like this. Thus term symbols for, this is the two term symbols of 1s1 2p1 excited state of helium. Friends, this lecture is helpful for you. Please like, share and comment. Thank you so much.